Oh, I'm on 98 Polaris 500. Just got done doing the front axles, which was kind of a pain. These roll pins right here and over here are hard to get out. Once you get them out there, it's pretty easy after that. But you gotta give it a good wham, uh, um, a punch and a hammer, pretty good, and it'll will eventually come out. But I can't see doing that while the bike is all together. It's a lot easier when you have the whole front end taken apart. Other than that, put new seals inside the shock tower and the hub, and also the new tie rods. I don't know if anybody has seen any tie rods that this kind of setup right here. Usually I would see that they would be hooked up right there, not a spacer. But is the way the bike, when I got it the way it is now, is the way I put it back. Seems to make sense, but I don't know if anybody's seen it done that way. But yeah, I had to use the old bolt and lock that back on it. So, and we did the A-arm, cleaned it up, cleaned it inside out, re-greased it. Came out pretty good. Yep. Next to do is just throw the belt on back on transmission, or clean up the clutches, see if I can salvage those clutches or not. I did buy a rubber boot for the intake manifold, or intake for the carburetor. Goes right there. This piece here fit pretty good. Now I got the airbox. I bought the bottom piece of the airbox too because it was all broken on the inside. And then I'll make my way with a fuel tank that I'm missing, which is on its way. I bought one from eBay, a used one. Hopefully it'll fit. But yeah, next thing to do is this. I'm thinking about redoing the replacing the brake lines, but these ones seem to be fine. I don't want to replace if I don't have to. But I need to replace this rear brake cylinder. I think it doesn't budge at all. Missing a clip and a cotter pin here. Once I pull that, it doesn't even move at all. Nothing. But it does turn over. It did run when I bought it initially. But yep, getting everything kind of done up. Re-greased the four-wheel drive shaft. There's one spot on that part of the drive shaft there. 1, 2, and then 3 at the joint. Yeah, I greased it all to include the drive shafts that are new. If anybody can tell me what that setup is like, is it normal for that? And yeah, I have to order probably some new shocks for this thing.